Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove credit card from Amazon account. Now since we are going to using the Amazon shopping app, we need to go ahead and make sure that we are using the latest version of Amazon app. If there is any update, just make sure to update. After checking, just open up the Amazon application. Once you open it, wait for it to fully load and make sure you are logged into your account and then tap on this icon in the bottom of the screen to go to your profile. From here, tap on your account in the top left part of the screen and now scroll down until you find your payments right there. Go ahead and tap on it to continue from here. Now if you have any credit card on your account, the page should look like this. What you need to do is go ahead and tap on the credit card that you want to remove to be taken to the next page right here. Tap on remove from Amazon Pay. If you don't see this red button, just tap on edit and then you will be taken to a page where you can see this button top remove from Amazon Pay. Once you do that, you will be taken to this page. Tap on remove and then you will be taken to a confirmation screen to confirm your removal of the credit card from your account. And that is basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.